Johnny Works. Today we are building sawhorses. Okay, I got some scrap lumber. We're up in my barn. It's a beautiful rainy day in New England. It's gonna rain for like 3 days, and I got extra lumber, so figured I'd use it. Go green, make some sawhorses. So, first thing when you're doing a project at home, and say you're replacing some of those deck boards, you got something you want to work on, you need a big workspace. First thing you start doing is looking for something to work on. And if you're not a carpenter, or you're not in the trade, most people don't have sawhorses. This is a metal sawhorse. Of course I have sawhorses, I'm in the trade. Okay, so I got sawhorses. I'm going to teach you how to make wood sawhorses. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make 2 sets. Actually, I'm going to make 1 set, 2 sawhorses. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So each one needs 4 legs. Okay, so 8 altogether. I'm going to make 8 legs, 30 inches long. I'm going to put a 15-inch bevel with my saw. I can adjust this thing. I'll put a little tiny bit of an angle on a 15-inch bevel on one end of each of the legs. The other end will stay square. See it? Good. So I just cut my 8 pieces at 30 inches. I put a 15-degree bevel on one end, and only one end. Now I'm going to cut 6 pieces, okay? These 6 pieces are going to make up the top of my sawhorse, okay? I'm going to cut 6 of these, and I'm going to cut these bad boys at 40 inches. What I'm going to do is make an I-beam, okay? You don't need to make an I-beam sawhorse, but I kind of like the I-beam sawhorse. It's actually really strong. All right, Ava, come over here for a second. Let me move that out of your way a little bit. See how important these sawhorses are? I have a workstation. What would I do if I didn't have my sawhorses already? I gotta build them, and I'd have to build them on the ground. That's why it sucks not to have sawhorses. I shot my bottom on, I flipped it over. I'm taking my top on and putting it on, okay? Just make sure it looks about center. If you want, you can take your tape and you can make a pencil mark in the center of this. This is a 2x4, it's 3.5 inches, okay? So you could go 1 3/4 inches and draw a pencil line right here. That would be the center. You could do that on both of these, and then the same here. This way it's 1.5 inches. Okay, so you could go 3/4 of an inch. That would give you a center line. All right, and you could do that if you need to, just to make sure you keep them all lined up. I on the other hand don't have to do that. Okay, so I also have a nail gun. If you don't have a nail gun, how are you going to put this together? Hopefully you have a screw gun. Okay, if you don't, you're going to get one. Or you're going to have to rent or buy a nail gun. Dead center. Alright, so I take my I-beam, I lay it down, I grab my 2 30-inch pieces, okay, the bevels are on the bottom, okay, so this is important. Make sure the bevel part, if I put it in here right on the end, make sure the bevel part is coming out this way. All right, so when I sit my horse on the ground, it's going to sit like this. See that from the sidebars? Okay. See my cut? That's my bevel. So it's going to sit just like that. So what I'm going to do, put my glasses on. Okay. I'm going to shoot this thing, or screw, into the end right here. Okay. I'm going to slide it over the top till it hits right here. I'm going to flush it up with the end with my finger. Watch your fingers. Same thing, my bevel's facing down this way. Okay, just picture this sitting on the floor. Put it in, flush up the end, pop a couple caps. And then right through the other one. That's one side, I flip it over and I do the exact same thing. Good. So, got both sides on. I'm going to stand this up on my sawhorse cut table. Okay, this is what it looks like, alright? Just like that. A little uneven because this is some old plywood, but I'm going to make sure it works itself out, alright? These are nice and strong. I nailed 2 through the top and I nailed 2 on the bottom and made sure that I hit this I-beam and I hit this one up top. I got them on both sides. And this thing is sturdy as HE hockey sticks, baby. Okay? The only other thing that I'm going to do in a second, I'm going to Jaw's laughing at me. Dunkin' Donuts is not sponsoring me, but if you're watching Dunkin' Donuts, we can talk about that. All right, this is what the sawhorse looks like from the side. Okay. Super strong. All right. So strong, I can sit on this thing and not fall down. All right. One thing that's going to help make the sawhorse more stronger. Tell me about it, that right?
I think so.
Okay. I'm not gonna, well, you know, I am gonna measure real quick. Okay? I'm gonna come up. I'm gonna put this thing right on the floor. I'm gonna come up 12 inches. Why? Because I want it. Okay? 12 inches, just like that. And I guess I got my crappy tape. Alright? On that 12 inches, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this extra 2x. I'm gonna put it on that line that I made at 12 inches. And I'm going to put this line on the line I made at 12 inches, okay? From the back, as long as you can hold it without moving, I take my pencil and I scribe, okay? I run my pencil up on the inside and make a mark. See, I got two angle marks. All right, so I just cut this piece. There's my 2 angles that's going to sit inside my sawhorse, okay? And I got another piece of scrap. What am I going to do? Make it nice and simple. Put this one on, flush it up all the way around, making sure it's nice and the same, nice and flush, and scribe it again. All right, the less math, not a big deal to worry about, just now watch your fingers when you cut. Okay, so one variation is to put this brace on the inside, in between. Another variation is to put it on the outside, okay? Now instead of scribing here, okay, I'll scribe on the outside, this way. Okay, that gives me 2 angles, alright? So, here we are, set of sawhorses, okay? One version where we have it on the inside, the brace, one version where we have it on the outside, okay? If you put them both on the inside, they're not going to stack. If you put one on the inside, one on the outside, they will stack, okay? There's a couple different methods. This is a simple one. If you've got a small project, you can stack your horses up, and there you go, and put them away, okay? If you make them a 1/2 inch bigger, one set 1/2 inch bigger than the other, slides on a little easier, okay? I'm doing this at night after work. Just wanted to show you guys how to make a simple set, super simple set of sawhorses for a project. Any do-it-yourself person should have at their house. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Johnny Works. Rock on.
Okay, ready? Go.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
It's been going for like 5 minutes.